You be surprised who is a sexy man alone.
Well, you can be a sexy man to me, you know. Opia the appearance first.
I see.
Yeah, because answer now be who be so yes sexy no. One appearance, the way you look it, the way I was started the fatana. And from say was and I say we are slim. But I dear was share a fatal.
Okay.
It makes you look good. And man we are sexy. Secondly, ne kasa.
Okay.
Yeah, obe ni pani we appearance le chon kwana ho. Obe ni we na perfume so me perfume pa.
So many beso.
Yeah, perfume no so. A mass sexiness never come.
Okay.
Because obe na the sense any niyama bi e ma look sexy.
Okay.
And na the kasa. Wo bi wo ho a all the looks o bibia na so the kasa man look sexy.
Okay. Enti Maya na e me mo kasa sa de na chimo.
Oh, yam pa oba de and I am nkofo bi kasa nkwase afodi ma papa sebio I because our kasa obeka ebeto akoma so yi like obe feel say oh this guy has something positive about me and I you know yeah and so at the end of the day just be ma one no kakra be ma bia uni ano enye
won
oh yeah it's just one no out be the for bar no like uni oba na kasa west bi no ma oba ni look say ono feel say oh I'm nice I'm this and that you know it's a mass sexiness no ejina was ade no
ejina
yeah makes me that is qualities show bema and sana e bi kra akodem side
akodem asa what me aka say this man
yes
is them sexy. Okay beg because be a sexy
well you see the word sexy no your relative e bi ade wo be hu na sexy no I won't see it as sexy.
Okay.
Think years back delay interview or Chiami Kwame wife.
Okay.
And then or say they've been together for 10 years or so, but say you couldn't too quite and I say on your menses and I saw in Yari they have sex every day.
Wow.
Now baby say why do you guys have sex every day? No one thing or say guy you know that's different thing every day or you be different a man will fall in love.
Okay.
To me, what would sexually attract me to a guy is weird, but mom pessary. Or mom pessary or more training. What I told you, who she share, who said maybe or maybe or wow, who will be like all over everybody, but those reserved kind of guys or bema like obuni who be not the community type. Or pese no, the ladies should rather come. Not it attracts me to the nonsense degree. But aside that, Obama or supporting Oba dreams.
Okay.
You know, a man who looks directly into your eyes, a man who can hold a matured conversation. They talk about how to develop you and all that. I love Ashanti guys, a lot of Ashanti guys for one reason. You know, most of these Ashanti guys meet you and who say you are like okay, you are not perfect, but you are like 60% of what they want. But let's say 50% of what they want in a woman. Where besides what do you want to do?
Yeah.
Say no be wow, what you say? Maybe one go school, but you want to do something. They don't look at those other negative sides. They ask you person where then, and then they set you up. You know, and Obama bisa no all the time. You find him sexy. You understand? He believes in your dreams, your goals. A man who cook or you know, morning breakfast in bed and all that.
Imagine.
I find that extremely sexy.
Sexy. Hello, you said something. Oh, say, Obi Oha, no more far. And not sure maybe I don't be sexy because boy I don't have so
Debbie and
the looks or looks the power
and na make can say obey ni pana appearance ni chomba obey ni pana na obi say who say ni pay ya say ne kasakra obi o kasakra ni pana na obi say who say ni pay ya say ne kasakra obi o kasakra na sebio into so won ha you know yeah obi wa na say into so kasa the way ye na no call the kasa no ma sexy bibia ma you know yeah but he obey maybe o say na be sister aka no otimiti say no ho krama o feel say guy we sexy you know and at the way ogina any the way like on Nancy Crano, which me who says, so I could be a guy. And see, a mouth feeling a guy is sexy. What's a mass? And see, that doesn't necessarily mean say, a just in the man Kasaya fe, and that's all you see. But the way obey Yen, obey Gina, obey Casano, and then extra the sexiness. Yeah.
Okay. And see, so oh, she na say, we a bear man now, the gig, Charlie. Ye oh, she I won't see her. Well, Becky see bear my own sorry, and no finding it sexy. That's what about game crap. Baby, I will be who kind of go to me say, Charlie. Or we can't say, yeah, you're fine. You see that kind of thing? Aye. Ain't it actually baby be our wish me be a more from a comment and bra. Now you find it out, you must say, is it true? Or mommy name? And some more cano. More fear anymore in the air you show you. Now you show must a bear my pass or na. Oh yeah, with your shisha. A man is your mumpe. I was just a baby crying our trim for now. When you show say, oh, yeah, Nama. Debbie, no, who said, Mamma, be a while. Debbie, I know more say, get away or pest or the no shisha call for the but they don't know that. Or more say it goes both ways. What I say, yeah. Or Bema would and no baby who we are now a sissy baby. You know, you have to sit and then be the boss. You understand? Only will get a quack baby and yes, so she now so be that's nothing. Now we share baby whining or doing all those things. But I was starting one guy be a mini peer sometime. You peer call club, then this guy is all over dancing play. The whole
yeah.
But and you see this guy or body everything like the kind of bossy then he's or zone Tony I'm like what? You know?
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, it's on your money turning off.
Exactly.
Just say, and if you have it, because messages are astative.
Poor kind of guys in there.
And yes, it can come.
Okay.
I just want to see yeah. Bema who is kakrana or pride biddy, or not dear. Who cross had you know? You could baby and you say, or be no Casano. Exactly. You know, this kid putting it part off. Some of us they made putting it off. So you do, Madame Guy could be Yakwe now. Bet you be na wonderful ya hey oh my you know God. That kind of life like we are there man ya pride kakrebi we just your boss show kakra
yeah okay
what am I say okay mo bi bisa wasam na kasa wo and yes be kasa konkonsa be ma
okay and then Elom Econom says please how can I tell my guy he smells bad? Please, I'm Abigail from Kumasi. Let's quickly answer this.
Yeah, oh, it's a smelling. Make some perfume poppy. Yeah. When he says a guy, yes, I'll put you off. Okay. Or sexy mouth. Into the way it means be our or catch and say like, also, maybe I'm kind of straightforward. Say, I say,
so
what you have to do is like, one can better perfume be any roll on.
Exactly what I want.
Because all perfumes so soon okay. You need a roll on. Until you roll on a manner, now I have the perfume account. What should I catch and say? I like the scent of this perfume. Oh, honey, I'm not for being going. Not when deodorant, so I like it. Like
the smell,
I really like it.
It's now bois,
you know, now a bois again.
Okay, this one say, why is some pussy? Why is some pussy small and others are big?
Oh.
A lot of things goes into that. And even America know. Say be a winya infection it will be wase.
Yeah.
A lot of times unkofofi said too much sex ema wase be but it's never that.
Okay.
When him say serious
what say?
What's bebre kra e be wase. Nti no what's now
sorry money muna no mo try the pa.
E bebre na e tight. But say ba winya infection is anyama na ema wase be. What you say nti what's now why was say wo ye wo try na exercise. Na we be ebema muscles no aye tight but what the nyama hihye be do baby kwa won't work again na say ejai
secondly e being so naturally o maseso
you see the
girls obisa o ye dey naturally obi okwa se bi odi no ho pa ba na sense that so sa
obo na seso odi ni wi na o say be di bi kwa enko unless o say
enti obi o naturally ni sa na nyankopon bo ono sa na che so ohia be ma na kote so Entine so otonobo no chia be man kote so yesa okofa nketenkete na omeka se wo ase eso na enye ono
the choso no
ni choso no yesa na nyame ball.
Okay. For me, I love pussy, but because I have a big dick, I don't get a woman in my life.
Oh,
it's true. Me say me big dicks.
Yeah.
And man, na me ba be break me one.
Yeah.
Me ni guy bi me do guy ye de mo ko dware ye. Me kan share ne someone said those time ma ho so na wa hye obi fi say we jiga bi na so yes sex mpoda. Enti me di guy ye chi. After the call washroom ko dware o pese me fata wo ne ma na me hu say yeah o wo niama me hu ade ya na me mistake like me said that for me phone first so yes me papa so we na more 5 years and I'm the friend who dwane what you say so dates I don't like dates that are too big what you say
but obi o ho so a eno so na ye ne do
yeah true obi so
enti guy no onto no bo
ana ja mo kra niama
yeah okra
hey chire
okra nyama obi so dia open no obi so dia open
Onu so pekesi
obi so pekesi a chese
say
onya
de bia elom de way a o kire ho no
oh say the way
serious no I was serious
you were losing something my girl
big dick
just say bibi ka and say bibi ko e ka homa it's full inside
what say full inside that you to me pia rectum no
oh my god
we do maybe now when you first she to me pia rectum ne ba
me who for the down so what are you talking about
eh
one phone no who ya zigam so you know adeni ya masana we udi a 2 weeks kra na and no kon you know anything I'm
when say wo kwa wo no when say baby ni ba epia bibi afi rectum e ba nti asa ade na so sa na ye say wo nchim bibi empie
there be ade na so no nipa no hold this ade na so se no di twe na ma o feel say e twe ne ye da kote ne ye da na say ye de
ba won say bi wo it depends say bia if you are big a little you be okay with it ba wo so say ya when you be no like no matter how wet you are I think say
e just so ye wet e just say obema wo kote so no ye mfa kote so endi oba gbungumu ye de kone kakra after me do baby na you go for it
okay
I'm telling you
okay
you know I just own nyamre
okay
so baby do ha no ho about
with big dick
you know the thing is they are missing we enye kesiye it's like okay one and no crying I get wet and it's still like I'm feeling inside that I am what you said so I'm imagining how I'm going to get a bigger one so to me then everything is going to come out
no
well
yen should be e wo fia say obi so obi say can a man with plenty money be sexy oh man one see
who here pa sweetheart
how is that attractive
well to me no obema wuska no nim say no best spend this can one you feel say guy is very sexy you get the point say o nim say no be handle wa enye say sika ne say obi wo sika so nim say no de be handle what am I say oba so feeling nice or feeling say my husband is my guy is very sexy
matters to be my spread this kana it makes you very sexy and
really
surprises no
just say looking very sexy
oh really
yes skade wu here skade wu here
as last 2 years say na me di me birthday ya me shedem bi a me dream me wona me boyfriend akoye surprise bi wo ye gola
oh my god you see
what I say ye gola hotel ho yes na wonyim no mo ye surprise bi wo it's okay na say you know the surprises were
the part that I love most was where you were crying I said you shame me
yes
the way they
oh my god
Amani shosheni musi me have been me bu fu se me se raje me fu boso me ti be bia wade me na na mbese be hwekra
e ba ni sa that day no chese looking so sexy style sao be yi no ye different I say if you have in a good to be time what I say na so dey we dey with my dey no I can we dwa bofu kra
so you're not sexy You're not sexy. Okay, so yeah, but wrap it up. Then we go to the next segment. And your last words to Bema. Yeah, cause Bema we is sexier. Bema be shaya. last words I'll be come and a best son of Becca Charlie. I'm not this, but I think I have to learn this because if this can make my woman love me and see me as a sexy person, then I need to. Last words.
Obema, and yes, say, what Jimmy now? Why you are Betty Kokoti now? Bosso, not to say, if it's a quaticasi, and yeah, no sexiness. So you support your woman, love her just like she loves you, look into her eyes, say sweet words to her. You know, have a serious and a matured communication and conversation with her. You know, Sanya ma we nyina no che say as am bedu dem ho crap no.
Now harmful.
None harmful. Surprise and buy her gifts and all that. They be am ka say oba you are supposed to take care of the man blah blah blah. Yes, I never no. We women are supposed to be treated like queens. You know, so we are Sanya mana. That is what we find sexy.
Okay, so we just have to submit and men are supposed to love.
Men submit.
Yeah, no, women have to be submissive.
No.
And men
you know,
love.
we don't.
That's what is in the Bible.
We don't submit to. That is what is in the Bible. Bible cry say, "Obema no na obey ejuma hwe o man no." Say omo say wan ejuma. Omo kra ampe. When say that submission is no more there. What I say? That submission is no more there. We're a housewife there. You have every right to submit to your man.
Okay.
But you want me to go out and support you there. Why submit? And it doesn't work like that. If you love me, we are Sanyama way in submission never naturally.
Okay, force it.
Force it. Debbie, force it. Submission never naturally. You know, surprise me, baby, hey, na khakis na. That's a surprise. Hey, games and stuff. Hey, Dubai trip, you know. Very sexy.
Yes, dear. Oh, like I second her because Obama dear.
Also treat you about well.
Very well, and our girlfriend very well.
Yeah.
And man who look sexy man, who you so crowd look sexy man.
Right.
You get the point. Sexiness, no, okay. See the all kind of oh, muzzles, it doesn't make anything. Like, let's say, oh, crocro.
Yes, no, they do.
Yeah, oh, crocro, but say no, Barbe Cassa. And I miss so dear, Obama, we am so me. Obama, dear, say at least perfume big a crown and not so boama sexiness, a dipping. You get the you get the point. And in Obama, they're just looking nice, decent, or dressing, or casa.
Okay.
Okasa krama will look sexy. You get the point. And as you can also tell you, now maybe okay. Surprises, ladies, we want surprises. And also I must say, you consider cross or cry. Oh, Jiao with a style, you know. You get the point. Because and then you sell Nisika. It is a guy person who done so said then crana. You know, oh Gia, no when you're now one for them.
Yeah, what else you
Okay.